In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit master page in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your layout studio up top over here, and then you must find your master. So over here, I have my master selected right now, and then on the right hand side, inside the layers, as you can see, I have the master over here, and everything is grouped under it. So when you find that master, click on it to select it, and then over here on the left hand side, up top, you want to select the move tool, and then over here, it's going to say detached, and whenever you click on that, it's going to allow you to edit your master detached, and you can do whatever you want to it over here. You could also right click and click on edit detached over here, and then when you do that, you can just click on the finish button and you've successfully done it. So that's essentially how you do it, either with the move tool and with the master selected, and up here you can select how you want to edit it, or right click on your layer here and you can click what editing style you want. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.